Capture memories in a larger, more vibrant format with instant photography. The best Instax wide camera delivers bold, high-quality prints that bring every detail to life. Perfect for parties, travel, and creative projects, it combines fun, style, and nostalgic charm. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 is a colorful, compact, and fun instant camera that makes photography both simple and enjoyable. Designed with a charming lilac purple finish, this camera is equipped with a Fujinon 60mm f/12.7 lens, an optical image viewfinder, and auto exposure to help deliver balanced shots. The built-in flash ensures you can capture moments even in low-light settings. What makes the Mini 12 especially appealing is its straightforward usability. Simply press the button and watch your photo develop right before your eyes, offering a magical experience every time. This bundle comes with 40 sheets of Instax Mini film, ensuring you have plenty of opportunities to capture memories from the start. The film produces credit card-sized prints, making them easy to share, gift, or slip into a wallet. Fujifilm's reliable film quality ensures vibrant colors and clear images. The package also includes a fashionable shutter-fitted case with a removable strap, combining both practicality and protection so you can carry the camera anywhere with peace of mind. This thoughtful design makes it suitable for casual users, students, or anyone who enjoys instant photography without complications. Backed by Fujifilm's USA warranty for the camera and Shutter brand warranty for accessories, buyers can feel confident in their purchase. Number 2. Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo is a hybrid instant camera designed for creators who want more control and creative expression. Unlike simpler Instax models, the Mini Evo offers an impressive 10 lens and 10 film effect combinations, giving users 100 different creative possibilities. This means you can adjust the look of your photos from vivid and bold tones to retro, muted colors, matching your vision for each shot. It feels like having multiple cameras in one compact device. The camera allows you to adjust exposure, white balance, flash, and even use macro mode for close-ups. A self-timer adds convenience for group or solo portraits. What truly sets the Evo apart is its high-resolution prints. At 600 dpi, the output quality is noticeably sharper than typical instant cameras, making your instant prints more detailed and vibrant. You can choose between Instax Rich mode for bright, immersive colors or Instax Natural mode for a more classic film aesthetic. Another standout feature is the ability to connect the camera to your smartphone using the free Instax Mini Evo app. This lets you edit, crop, rotate, and adjust your images before printing them directly from your phone, blending the modern convenience of digital photography with the nostalgic charm of instant prints. This versatility makes the Mini Evo perfect for photography enthusiasts, scrapbookers, or anyone who values creative freedom. Number 3. Fujifilm Instax Wide. The Fujifilm Instax Wide is an excellent choice for those who want bigger, bolder instant photos. Unlike the Instax Mini line, which produces wallet-sized prints, the Instax Wide captures larger 3" by 5 images, perfect for group photos, landscapes, or moments when more detail matters. It features automatic exposure and flash control, making it beginner-friendly while still producing balanced and bright results. Even in low-light situations, the built-in flash ensures your photos remain clear and visible. A convenient self-timer with an LED countdown makes group photos easier, giving everyone time to get into position. The Instax Wide also comes with 3 focus modes: normal, landscape, and macro with the included close-up lens. This versatility allows you to capture a wide variety of subjects, from detailed close-ups to scenic outdoor shots. The included camera angle adjustment accessory is a thoughtful touch, helping you achieve perfectly angled images without awkward tilting. The camera itself is simple, sturdy, and built for reliability, making it ideal for both beginners and casual photographers who want to capture memories instantly without worrying about complex settings. The larger photo size makes a big difference, especially for parties, events, and scrapbooking, as the images feel more substantial and visually striking compared to smaller prints. Number 4. Fujifilm Instax Wide Evo. The Fujifilm Instax Wide Evo is a modern hybrid instant camera that combines digital convenience with the charm of wide-format instant film. Unlike traditional instant cameras, the Wide Evo offers creative freedom through 10 lens effects and 10 film effect options, along with 5 creative film styles, all controlled through a simple degree dial. This allows you to experiment with multiple aesthetics, from retro film looks to vibrant high-contrast imagery. The camera features a wide-angle lens and a 16-megapixel sensor, giving you more flexibility when capturing a variety of scenes. The 3.5-inch LCD monitor is particularly useful for reviewing images before printing, ensuring you only print the shots you truly love. Prints are delivered on Instax wide film at a sharp 318 dpi resolution, producing larger, detailed 3x5 photos that make a stronger impression compared to mini prints. This hybrid approach means you get the best of both worlds: digital editing and previewing, followed by instant, tangible prints. It's a huge advantage for those who want to save film and avoid wasted shots. The camera's sleek design and intuitive controls make it suitable for both casual users and photography enthusiasts who enjoy creative experimentation. Perfect for group photos, events, or artistic projects, the Wide Evo delivers larger format prints with customizable styles. Number 5. Fujifilm Instax Wide 400. The Fujifilm Instax Wide 400 is designed for those who want to capture life's moments in bold, wide-format prints. Producing images twice the size of Instax mini prints, the Wide 400 is perfect for group photos, landscapes, and larger compositions that demand more space. Its user-friendly design includes automatic exposure, a built-in flash, adjustable focus, and a self-timer, making it simple to get high-quality results with minimal effort. Whether you're a beginner or a casual shooter, the camera ensures that photos come out vibrant and balanced. This bundle comes with 20 sheets of Instax wide film, which delivers rich, colorful prints that develop within seconds. The larger print size makes a striking difference for sharing at parties, weddings, or travel adventures, adding more visual impact compared to smaller instant photos. The package also includes a stylish carrying case, an 80-pocket green photo album, and shutter button accessories for personalization. These extras make the camera not only practical, but also a fun lifestyle product that encourages creativity and memory keeping. The Instax Wide 400 shines in group settings, where its ability to capture wide angles ensures no one is left out of the frame. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.